Electric eels aren't actually eels at all. They are a type of electric knife fish. Their scientific name is Electrophorus electricus. They live in South America and the Amazon River. The water there is very dark, muddy, and murky. They are almost blind, so they use a low-voltage electrical field to detect changes and hunt for their prey. They breathe air, so they have to go to the surface frequently.
The tail makes up 4/5 of their body. Internal organs are located very close to the head, leaving maximum tail space for the electric cells. The tail has thousands of modified muscle cells lined up like batteries in a flashlight called electrocytes. Each cell only generates 0.15 volts, but together they can produce a charge of 600 volts for a short pulse. A standard car battery is 12 volts, so an electric eel has 50 times the shocking power. Eels have a positive head and a negative tail, just like the positive and negative ends of a battery.
Batteries can be in a series, end-to-end or parallel, side to side. A series allows for more voltage to be produced because the individual cells' voltages add up. A parallel allows for more particles to be moved, or a greater flow of electricity. Electrocytes are arranged in stacks, and each stack of thousands of electrocytes acts as a separate battery to produce a charge. Each cell has a resting charge of 0.085 volts because positive ions of sodium, potassium, and calcium are continually pumped in and out of the cell. In an eel, the electrocytes aren't symmetrical, so the rounded side is to the head and the smooth side is to the tail.
A central nucleus decides when to send the charge, and then the nerve endings carry the signal to the electrocyte, creating a short charge of positive ions. The signal is synchronized by the eel so that it reaches each electrocyte at the same time, creating a large combined charge. Normally, pure water is a bad conductor, but because the eels live in murky water with lots of dissolved salts, the water carries the charge. The charge goes from the eel's head through the water and back to its tail.
They use the electrical charge to stun or kill their prey, which are small fish and crustaceans, so that they can eat them because they have no teeth.
Electric eels may in fact get shocked by their own charge, for you skeptics out there, but they may have developed a resistance to the pain. They may also insulate the head area with the internal organs against the charge because the tail section is responsible for the charge.
That's all you need to know about electric eels.